On New Year's Eve, she gave birth to not 3, not 4, but 5 beautiful, adorable, healthy piglets.
Look at these baby piglets. Oh, they're so sweet. Oh, they are so cute. My friend Maddie just rescued a pig from the shelter, and she had piglets. There's something about a pig, when you look into their eyes, they have so much emotion. It made me always want to adopt a pig.
Lee had just bought a sanctuary in Oregon, and I asked him if he'd want to take 2. Lee has many, many dogs. He's never had pigs before. Can I get a flop on a day-old piglet? Oh my god, he just flopped. I rescue, rehabilitate, and rehome animals of all different shapes and sizes, but we had never done a birth before. So over the course of the next few weeks, we had so much fun just watching them grow up, watching their little personalities come to be. Lee specifically wanted the spotted pig. I actually thought I might keep that one, but of course I came to my better judgment. Hello.
Oh my goodness.
I'm giving you this guy.
Oh, wait, what about the other one? I thought that was the one that you weren't sure about.
I know, but it would be selfish of me to keep an animal that has a loving home waiting for them. So he's yours. They're both yours.
No way. Are you kidding? No way. No way. That's good. That was good. That was really good.
I'm just so excited. They're going to be the first Asher House piggies.
The first Asher House piggies. I mean, they're going to just grow up with us. It's going to be amazing. I'm actually getting pigs. I'm so excited. I need pig stuff. I'm going shopping. You know what pigs like. All right. These pigs better be happy.
Meanwhile, the rescue world never stops. I happened to be at a livestock auction, and I saw a llama. I was able to call the actual owner and negotiate for her to give us the llama for free. Oh my god, Lee! So he's getting 2 piglets and a llama. Amazing. Ted and David, are you guys ready to go? I guess this is gonna be one of the crazier things I've ever done. I am road tripping to Oregon with 2 piglets and a llama. We're very close. We are racing to hopefully get there before it gets dark so we can unload and get Llama Guy situated.
Somebody help me! Help us! That's our piggies and our llama. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
I do like your llama. Are you happy?
Oh my goodness. No way. No way.
Oh, look at this. Lee's a large large guy and he's got a lot of energy. So I kept telling him, be calm, sit on the ground with the pigs. So he learned the pig finesse, if you will. And I'm pretty sure he got some belly flops right away too. Look at your tail wagging. No, they're happy.
Yeah.
We all have a soft spot. We all have a soft spot.
I love you. I love you. Good morning, bud. Good morning, Frankies. How we doing?
It was really quite amusing to see Lee try and bond with his llama. Got a long way to go.
Come snuggle. Yeah, you do. You're so good. You're such a good older brother. You're such a good older brother.
Everyone seems very happy, especially Lee. He's doing great with them. He sends me videos all the time of the llama and the piglet. And the sweetest thing about Frankie is he loves the piglet so much. He thinks of himself as like a pig guardian. The fact that Lee was so overjoyed and so elated made it a very easy goodbye for me.